Hey everyone, welcome back to Emergency Fatrana. Today we are unboxing the Mi Band 10, but honestly, this video is less about the band and more about all these straps and screen protectors. Let's open the actual box now. Inside we have the manual, the charging cable, and finally, the Mi Band 10 itself. Now, funny thing, I am actually re-unboxing this on camera because I already opened it earlier out of pure excitement and forgot to record it. This band officially costs around $49, which is honestly a great price for what you get. Holding the band in hand now, it feels light and pretty premium for the price. Let's remove the original strap first. Now trying on the black protector, and honestly, this looks really cool. Very stealthy, but I will be honest, I'm a little scared to put a screen protector on top of the actual screen, in case I mess up the alignment. The other three actually cover both the band and the screen, and they look almost identical, just in different finishes. Silver, transparent, and black. On top of that, I also grabbed 7 different straps in different colors and styles. So yes, this desk is basically a Mi Band accessory shop right now. So let me switch to the silver one instead for now. Putting on the silver strap with it, and wow, this one actually feels like a metal chain, but it is surprisingly comfortable on the wrist, not heavy at all. Let's try the transparent protector next, just to see the band's original color underneath. And this one gives a nice clean look too. Now switching straps one by one, just to show you the difference. This one is more of a sporty silicone feel. Each strap really changes how the band looks on your wrist. So it is definitely worth grabbing a couple of extra ones if you like changing your style often. Quick word on the band itself, it has a bright display, tracks your heart rate, sleep and steps, and the battery life is genuinely impressive for daily use. For the price, it is hard to find something that gives you this much. That is it for this one, guys. If you enjoyed watching me struggle to pick which strap looks best, subscribe to the channel, because more content like this is coming your way. See you in the next video.
6 7 6 7 6 7